I'm Ruth and I'm really excited that my Palladio door is being fitted today. So I was really interested in Palladio doors and saw the competition, so I entered and then was really happy to find out that I won. So I used the online door designer, which was really easy to use. Really enjoyed picking the door. We went with the Barcelona in silver grey, and just to kind of brighten up our area and fit in with the rest of what we're going with for the rest of the house. Really happy with it. I love the look of it. I love the brightness of it, the colour of it, and I'm really happy for everyone else to see it.